In this video, I'll show you how to use document headers in Docs in ClickUp. To get started, open the ClickUp doc where you want to add a header. Document headers help organize your content into clear sections, making longer docs easier to read and navigate. Now, click anywhere in the document where you want the header to appear. Click the plus button on the left side of the editor. From the menu that appears, choose the appropriate header option. Enter the text you want to use for your header. You can use different header levels to create a clear structure. For example, use a larger header for the main section and smaller headers for subsections. You can also highlight existing text and change its formatting to a header using the text formatting options. Using headers makes your ClickUp docs easier to scan and helps readers quickly understand the structure of your content. And that's how to use document headers in Docs in ClickUp. I hope this video is useful, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below.